Over 80% of consumer products sold in retail stores today pass through wholesale distribution before reaching the shelf. That means between the factory and the customer, there's usually someone supplying those products to retailers. That's the wholesale business. In this video, I'll show you 10 products that can work very well for wholesale trading or importing. Based on my research, these products are relatively easy to import, don't require huge investment, and most importantly, they already have strong demand in the market. I'll also leave links for these products in the description so you can explore them and get a better idea of how they're sold and supplied. And before we start, like the video, share it with someone interested in business, and subscribe to Business Dash for more practical business ideas. Now, let's start with the first product. Eco-friendly food packaging. A few years ago, food packaging was almost invisible. Customers didn't care much about the box their food came in. Today, that has completely changed. Governments, cities, and even customers themselves are pushing restaurants to move away from traditional plastic packaging. The result? A massive shift toward biodegradable and compostable packaging. The global market for sustainable food packaging is now valued at more than $190 billion, and analysts expect it to keep growing rapidly over the next decade. And the reason is simple. Restaurants go through packaging incredibly fast. A busy takeaway restaurant might use hundreds of containers every single day. Paper bowls, takeaway boxes, compostable forks, coffee cups. These are not products restaurants buy once. They reorder them constantly. That's why many restaurant owners prefer working with a reliable supplier they trust, instead of searching for packaging every time they need more stock. For wholesalers, this creates a simple but powerful opportunity. Instead of supplying one item, successful distributors usually offer a complete packaging lineup: containers, lids, cups, utensils, and takeaway boxes. Once a restaurant finds a supplier that delivers consistently, they often keep ordering from that same supplier for years. 2. Pet accessories. Let's talk about one of the most emotionally driven markets in the world: pets. People don't treat pets like animals anymore. They treat them like family members, and that emotional connection has turned the pet industry into a massive global market. In fact, global spending on pet products now exceeds $300 billion annually. But here's something interesting. A huge portion of that spending isn't on food. It's on accessories. Dog toys, cat scratching boards, grooming brushes, travel bowls, interactive toys. Walk into any pet store and you'll notice something quickly. These shelves never stay full for long. Dogs chew through toys. Cats destroy scratching pads. Owners buy new accessories constantly. That means pet stores reorder these products all the time. For wholesalers, the smart move isn't selling one toy. It's building a pet accessory catalog. Different toys, different grooming tools, different feeding accessories. Once a store can restock multiple products from the same supplier, the relationship becomes much stronger. 3. Phone accessories. Now let's move to one of the fastest moving product categories in retail: phone accessories. Think about this. More than 6 billion smartphones are currently in use worldwide, and every single one of those phones needs accessories. Charging cables break, screen protectors crack, phone cases wear out. People buy phone stands for their desk, mounts for their cars, wireless chargers for their homes. These are small products, but they sell constantly. In many electronics stores, charging cables and screen protectors are among the fastest selling items in the entire store. Why? Because they're inexpensive and useful. Someone might walk into a shop planning to buy something else and leave with a cable or charger simply because they noticed it. For wholesalers, this category is all about volume. Retailers need consistent stock. If they run out of cables or chargers, they lose easy sales. That's why many electronics shops prefer ordering accessories in bulk from suppliers who can deliver steady inventory. 4. Smart home accessories. 10 years ago, controlling your lights with your phone sounded like science fiction. Today, it's normal. Smart plugs, motion sensors, wireless switches, connected light bulbs. These small devices are quietly transforming how people interact with their homes. The global smart home market is now worth well over $150 billion, and millions of households are gradually adding connected devices. What's interesting is that many people don't install everything at once. They start small, maybe a smart plug, Later, they add a motion sensor, then smart lighting. Retail stores understand this behavior, which is why many of them carry a small selection of smart home devices. But most of those stores don't buy directly from manufacturers. They rely on wholesalers to keep their inventory stocked. And wholesalers who supply a compatible ecosystem of devices, plugs, sensors, switches, and lighting, often become long-term suppliers for those retailers, because once customers start building a smart home setup, they tend to keep adding devices over time. 5. Reusable water bottles and tumblers. A few years ago, carrying a reusable bottle was mostly something athletes did. Today, it's everywhere. Walk into an office, a gym, an airport, even a university campus, and you'll see people carrying insulated bottles and tumblers. This shift is driven by two things: sustainability and convenience. People want to reduce disposable plastic, and they also want drinks that stay cold or hot for hours. Because of that, reusable drinkware has become a massive product category. Industry analysts estimate the global reusable bottle market will exceed $11 billion within the next few years, and the growth is still accelerating. What's interesting is how people buy these products. Most people don't own just one bottle. They have one for the gym, another for work, maybe a travel mug for commuting. Retail stores understand this behavior, which is why drinkware shelves are usually filled with different colors, sizes, and lid styles. For wholesalers, the real opportunity isn't supplying a single bottle design. It's offering a collection, different capacities, different lids, different finishes. When retailers can display a full lineup instead of one product, customers are far more likely to pick something that fits their lifestyle, and that's what keeps the inventory moving. 6. Beauty and skincare tools. The beauty industry moves fast. Trends appear almost overnight. One week, everyone is talking about a facial roller. The next week, it's cleansing brushes or skincare applicators. But behind all those trends is a much bigger market. Global spending on beauty and personal care products now exceeds $500 billion every year. And within that massive industry, tools play a surprisingly important role. Makeup brushes, beauty sponges, facial rollers, cleansing tools. These products are part of daily routines for millions of people. What makes this category particularly interesting for wholesale is that many tools need regular replacement. Makeup brushes wear out. Sponges get replaced frequently. New skincare tools constantly appear in tutorials and social media videos. That means beauty retailers are always refreshing their shelves. For wholesalers, the smartest strategy here is variety. Instead of offering one beauty tool, successful suppliers usually carry a range of accessories that retailers can reorder together. When a retailer can display a full lineup instead of one product, customers are far more likely to pick something that fits their lifestyle, and that's what keeps the inventory moving. 8. Home organization products. Clutter is one of the most common problems in modern homes, and that simple problem has created an entire product category: home organization. Storage bins, closet organizers, drawer dividers, pantry containers. These products solve a problem almost everyone experiences: not having enough space. What really pushed this market forward in recent years is the explosion of home organization content online. Videos showing perfectly arranged kitchens, labeled storage containers, and neatly organized closets have attracted millions of viewers, and when people see those spaces, they want to recreate them. The home organization market is now valued at tens of billions of dollars globally, with retailers constantly introducing new storage solutions. For wholesalers, this category works well because most of these products are part of a system. Someone who buys a drawer organizer might also buy pantry containers. Someone organizing their closet might need shelf baskets and storage boxes. Retailers prefer suppliers who offer multiple organization products that match visually and function together, because when customers start organizing one space in their home, they often end up organizing the rest. 7. Fitness accessories. A lot of people assume the fitness industry is all about gyms and expensive equipment, but a huge part of the market actually revolves around small accessories: resistance bands, yoga mats, foam rollers, stretching straps, massage tools. These products are everywhere now. Home workouts exploded during the pandemic, and even after gyms reopened, millions of people kept exercising at home because it's simply more convenient. According to industry reports, the global fitness equipment market is expected to surpass $45 billion within the next few years, and accessories represent a large portion of that demand. What makes this category interesting is how people buy these products. Rarely just one. Someone might start with a yoga mat, then add resistance bands, later a foam roller for recovery. Retailers know this behavior well, which is why many stores display these items together as small workout kits. For wholesalers, the opportunity is supplying complete accessory sets rather than individual products, because when customers decide to build a small home workout setup, they often buy several accessories at the same time. 9. LED lighting and solar lights. Lighting may not seem like an exciting product category, but from a business perspective, it's extremely powerful. Every home needs lighting, every shop needs lighting, and outdoor spaces increasingly rely on solar-powered lights. The shift toward energy-efficient lighting has pushed LED technology to dominate the market. Today, LEDs account for the majority of lighting sales worldwide, and the global LED lighting market is expected to exceed $130 billion within the decade. Products in this category range from simple LED bulbs to strip lights, garage lighting, desk lamps, and solar garden lights. What makes these products attractive for retail is how easy they are to upgrade. A customer doesn't need to renovate their house. They just replace a bulb or install a light strip, and suddenly the space feels completely different. For wholesalers, lighting works best when offered as a range of solutions: indoor lighting, decorative lighting, outdoor solar lights. When retailers can source multiple lighting products from the same supplier, they simplify their supply chain and maintain consistent stock. 10. Car detailing products. If you've ever seen someone carefully washing their car on a weekend morning, you've already seen this market in action. Car detailing has become a serious hobby for millions of people, and it's also a fast-growing service industry. Detailing businesses are appearing in many cities, offering deep cleaning, polishing, and interior restoration services. But both professionals and enthusiasts rely on the same tools: microfiber towels, detailing brushes, foam sprayers, polishing pads, interior cleaning tools. The global car care products market is already worth more than $15 billion, and it continues to grow as more people take interest in maintaining their vehicles. What makes this category attractive for wholesale is the replacement cycle. Microfiber towels wear out, cleaning tools get replaced, detailing businesses constantly restock supplies. Retailers that serve automotive customers often carry a full section dedicated to car care, and wholesalers who provide a complete detailing toolkit lineup become reliable suppliers for those stores, because once a retailer trusts the quality of those tools, they keep ordering the same products repeatedly. Wholesale is often misunderstood. Many people think it requires massive warehouses, huge investments, or complicated logistics. But in reality, the foundation of wholesale is very simple. You supply products that businesses already sell every day: packaging for restaurants, accessories for pet stores, charging cables for electronic shops, lighting for homes, detailing tools for automotive retailers. The products we covered today all share one important characteristic: they move consistently. Retailers restock them, and businesses depend on reliable suppliers to keep their shelves full. That's why the smartest wholesalers don't focus on one product, they build product categories. Because when a retailer can reorder multiple items from the same supplier, the relationship becomes stronger and the business becomes more stable. If you enjoy learning about real business models, supply chains, and how products move from factories to markets, subscribe to Business Dash and tell us in the comments, which of these wholesale ideas would you explore first?